Today, we are going to study about the profit maximization model. In the last class, we classified the number of theories relating with the theory of firm. That is optimizing theory, non-optimizing theory. Under that, economic theories and behavior theory. And in the non-optimizing is a manager theory. Our portion covers the profit maximization model only. This is coming under optimizing theory. That too, it's nothing but monopolistic market. Here, the model following all the market sector feature, that particular factor that what we have to say is the equilibrium condition. There are two equilibrium conditions that should be followed. Then the profit will be maximized. What is the two conditions? The marginal cost is equal to the marginal revenue. That is the first condition. The second condition, the marginal cost curve must intersect the marginal revenue curve from below. The curve should intersect the revenue curve from below. So when we make this particular condition, whether actually the profit is maximum or not, we are cross-checking in this model. How we can say the profit is maximum? The difference between the total revenue and the total cost should be maximum. Am I right? The revenue minus cost is profit. So when the difference between the TR and TC is maximum, then the profit is maximum. When the distance between these two is maximum, for that we are using the marginal cost approach, MC equal to MR, MC intersect MR from below. Now we are going to prove that on that particular point, there will be a maximum distance between TR and TC curve. That's what the model says. I will repeat again. This profit maximization model is nothing but monopolistic competition. This particular model tried to prove that the marginal approach is the right and scientific. There are two equilibrium conditions, MC equal to MR and MC intersect MR from below. When we follow these two conditions, it is evident that the distance between the total revenue and the total cost will be maximum. How to prove that? For that only we are using this particular model. So first we are having figure A. Here we are saying total revenue and total cost. We are drawing that at which output level there will be a maximum distance between TR and TC we are identifying. So revenue is price into quantity. That curve, that is the law of variable proportion. We have a TP curve, nothing but that TP curve only, that revenue curve. Second one is the total cost curve we are drawing. Based on these two, we are identifying the distance between TC and TC, which point is maximum. Just we are identifying that. So in order to prove that OM level of output in figure A is nothing but at that point only the MC intersect MR from below. So for that, we are going to take the marginal approach. For that, we are using 4 different curves, 2 from revenue function, 2 from the cost function, like other market structure. What are the 2 revenue functions? Average revenue and marginal revenue. What are the 2 costs? Average cost and marginal cost. So using these 4 curves, first we identify at which point MC is intersecting MR from below. At that point, MC equal to MR. So at that condition that we are trying to make it. So we are measuring output in the x-axis and cost in the y-axis, and the revenue function is a downward sloping thing. So AR is downward sloping. Below that AR, MR will like, because it is a decreasing return to scale. Likewise, cost is increasing return scale. AC is keep on increasing as output increases. So the MC will lie above the AC line. So which point MC cut MR from below? You can see the diagram. Point E. At that point, MC is intersecting MR from below. At that particular point, MC equal to MR. So when we draw a perpendicular line based on that point E, we can get QM. That line we can get. So OM level of output. When we identify this particular OM level of output, when we apply this OM level of output of figure B into figure A, definitely at that point, there will be a maximum difference between the total revenue and total cost. Whether it is true, yes, it is true. It is scientific. At that point only, the difference between the total cost curve and total revenue curve will be maximum. Maximum distance, at that point only we can, it will lie. So instead of keep on measuring at which point the distance between TR and TC, we can easily identify the point at which MC intersect MR from below will be at that respective level of output. There will be a profit maximization. Whether it is true, 100% true. This particular diagram is nothing but monopolistic price competition. When they ask price and output determination and a monopolistic, that particular diagram only you have to draw and explain. Even you can say this market is treated as a profit maximization model. You can say definitely this question will be there. Prepare well. I will share this particular PPT to you. Do it as a homework. Okay. All the best. If, for your sake, I will repeat again. When they ask about the profit maximization model, you have to write 4 headings. What are the 4 headings? First one, under theory of firm, there are 3 theories: economics theory, behavior theory, manager theory. This particular model coming under economic theories. In this particular theory, we have to prove that marginal approach to equilibrium condition is true and scientific. How we have to do it? First, we should know the difference between TR and TC is maximum, then profit is maximum. How to identify that particular point? For that, we are using this particular model. Then you have to say about what are the curves that we are using. 4 curves. What are they? Average revenue, marginal revenue, average cost, marginal cost, revenue curve down, sloping downwards, cost curve sloping upwards. So after that, we have to draw the diagram and make sure that MC intersecting MR from below, at that point only equilibrium will exist. Draw one perpendicular line and OM level of output will be the same in figure A. The OM level of figure B is nothing but OM level of figure A. Whether it is true, 100% true. So based on this particular thing, we can prove that these 2 equilibrium condition is correct for maximizing the profit. You have to complete answer like this. Both diagram is important. Without drawing the first diagram, don't go for the second diagram, because that is a base. We want to prove that AB in figure A is maximum distance between TR and TC. For that only figure B is drawn. All the best. All the best for your model examination. I will share all the PPT. Those who are joined new, you can go through that PPT. You can ask me that out. Okay. All 32 PPT I will share this evening. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You have my number. All the best. Do well.